We have K9, less lethal.
Yeah, I think it's left or right better. It is that open door, right? On the right?
Yeah. Come up with your hands up.
Yeah, it looks like
it. Hanford Police Department.
Here, let's go left, guys. We're gonna leave Boynton hanging, so you stay with him. Yep. We're gonna be arresting to you. Okay. Get your light off. Light off. Hug the door.
Put your hands in the air.
Right.
Fuck you!
Get ready, son.
Go!
Hangers, please!
Your hands up. Well done.
Don't move! Do not move!
Ceasefire! Ceasefire! Hey, we're moving up the. Hey, we're moving up the hole. We're moving up the hole. I need 2 to go to the female. Moving up.
You in the house. Stay in the house. Hands in the air.
Hold on. Go.
On me.
Deal with the female. Deal with the female.
Push it.
X-17 start
Move
medic
in front of you,
red
move in
for
front
1
of you.
male. Go.
On me.
Gunshot wounds to the upper torso. Okay, you 2.
Yeah.
Go ahead and swing. Start doing medical treatment on this guy.
Anyone got a med bag on him?
X-17, rear containment, grab a med bag, come to me, to the front of the house. X-17, medic red.
Just make sure he's got nothing else on.
Start coming in with your one cuff. Can you grab that?
Yeah.
Need gloves?
Yeah, I'm already.
Stay with me, man. Make sure he doesn't have any guns on him. Yeah. And then leave him uncuffed. Like 17 and 12.
Oh, you good? Just double it up, that's fine. Let's roll him on his side.
Hey, we need to clear a car. Hey, Boynton, if your hand's free, you back. Oh, okay, sorry. You need room for the ambulance?
Alright, what do we got
Also,
here?
you can come move your vehicle if you're able to. The medics will come in.
What are we working with?
Yeah.
Yeah. Still got a pulse. Chest seal. You got chest seal?
Yeah, I got a bunch.
Need some light. Looks like no. Still plugging it.
Once you get the chest seals on, obviously, try to wipe that clean and then get the chest seal on, and we'll try to do some compressions.
Here's another one. You got 2 on the front.
One more right on the left breast.
Where at?
Left breast. Yep. Wipe that with the glove and then stick that bad boy on.
We're gonna need another chest seal. This one,
Yeah.
I didn't wipe this one.
Grab that chest seal. Yeah, we'll have to plug with something. Glove or something.
Stick that one up.
Yep, there you go.
Stick that one up.
Add pressure.
Check the back. Here, you want this one? I got another kit too.
Do you have anything else to plug?
Was there some on the back?
No, I don't see any. Let me get a. Yeah. He's got a good one on his arm.
This arm here?
Yeah.
Hey, Warland.
Or this one.
He's cuffed already, so.
Get head on swivel, guys. Hey, can someone do some lights over here for?
Just set up a containment team.
You guys need more medical?
No, I got a bunch of med bags. So.
Command notifications, and then someone call Lieutenant Blake.
I can do that real quick. No, hey, you two? Go back out. I'll get
Anything on the back?
And then the HCA.
Once we get that tourniquet on,
Yeah.
we'll flip it around.
Okay. Okay, so as long as there's alright, so what I need you to do is identify who all shot. I got you right now. Also, get medics here. Okay. No rest of that. We just need to make sure that we figure that out. Let's make a list, and then we'll kind of revisit that. I want to do my part then.
You're rolling forward?
Hold on. And then, yep.
For what it's worth.
Norman, one of them?
Yep.
They're going to move the traffic to people out.
Yep, and then make sure that
This chest seal's leaking, dude.
and then we'll
They're all leaking pretty bad.
Should I take this one
Take
off?
it off. Take it off and just rub them down with this.
and then if you can pass this floor on handcuffs when you're ready.
Yeah, I already did one to get the tourniquet on.
All right, I'll put this one on. That's a lot better. That's good.
What about this one?
I got another chest. And he's looking for 1129.
There's no
Stick this one
no
up.
pulse down.
Center that, the center around the hole. And then do we have more?
Check 17 before anyone leaves the scene, they'll need to check out what you need break. And I know it's 25 to 40, but who's securing the scene right now?
Is there any on his stomach?
You can wipe, yeah, just wipe. Yeah, he's got one puncture right there.
I got another one for you. Are there exits?
Maybe one right here.
Yeah?
Yeah. Just give me all the ones you got.
What's that?
Just give me all the seals you got.
Yeah, I'm just gonna do this. Take the gauze off there.
So, Barton and Norman, you're with me right over here by the
Yeah. Yeah.
I was in between both because we went with the dog and then
on this side behind us? Yeah. Okay. Water, double check. I knew we were trying to do a rescue team on it.
Oh yeah, there's one back
going
here
up with the
too.
dog to get ready to play.
Got one more. The brass is still in there, but
Yeah, it's fine. And then I have more stuff too.
Back to one up right now.
yeah, he's.
It's still faint. Can you roll him more on his back so we can check the other half?
He's in the recovery position. He's out of handcuffs, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Can we try chest compressions at this point?
I don't know if he's. Try. Can you flip his arm out on me?
Let's just start. Get some air in there.
Can you take my rifle? Just flip his arm out from under him. Filled with blood.
Can you do me a favor? Go go in there to figure out, we're going to end up having to transport someone and also the well-being too. And you evaluate that one. And then that's coming out before get an initial statement, probably as well. Alright guys, what we got going on? Where's the side of the room?
Multiple GSWs, arms, torso. We patched up what we did, but
We just started CPR. We were just trying to get the chest seals on.
Yep. Let me stop CPR real quick.